So 25 years ago, I was born on 16th of November.
That's the lady who gave birth to me. That's my dad and that's my mom. And they've been happily married for around 30 years. And I'm in the middle. I was born in a small city called Patna. It's in north part of India, just around here in the map.
I also have a brother who's 5 years older than me. And in my family, I have my uncle, my aunt, and their 3 kids.
So in total, we were 5 kids in our family. We moved with our grandmother to go to school. My grandma, she was a bit aggressive sometimes, but usually she was very sweet. Eventually, we 5 bonded together very well. Sometimes we fought, sometimes we would love each other. And it was good, it was a good time. We were kids, we were innocent, and everything was so exciting back then. So when I was 12, my mom decided to send me to a boarding school. Yeah, I know the spelling of boarding is wrong, don't be a smartass. I was 12, I had no idea what was going on around me. This was the first time I was staying away from the family.
Well, I made a lot of friends in boarding school and we are still friends now.
One day the principal of the school, he called me and my friends in the office and he told me that he would suspend us. And then he called my mom and he told the same thing. But my mom, she was not very happy about it. And she gave me a very hard time when I went home that summer holidays. Thankfully, I didn't get suspended from the school. I also used to play a lot of sports. It was one of the best times of my life. After finishing my high school, I decided to do engineering. And I moved to a completely different part of the country. While I was doing engineering, I found my love for photography. That didn't last really long. And then I met my fitness mentor and he completely changed me. And I dropped down from 95 to 72 kilos. I used to take part in everything except for studying. After finishing my studies, I took a break and came back home for 5 to 6 months. This time we were not kids, but we still used to do the same thing what we did when we were kids. And I was so glad to see that nothing has changed. And then mid-February 2015, my brother got married. And after a week or so, on 22nd of February 2015, I decided to come to Melbourne for my postgrads. I moved to Melbourne that was 13,000 kilometers away from home. It was a bit hard in the beginning to adjust in a new country, but eventually things got better. And on the way, I made a lot of friends. I was studying full-time and I was traveling in my vacations. And while traveling, I found my love for YouTube. And then I decided to make a YouTube channel and I'm here now, telling you guys the story of my life. I feel very blessed to have such a wonderful family and friends around me every time who support me in whatever things I do. And especially thanks to you people who are watching this video and giving me your time. And that's it for the video. I'll see you next time. Peace.